Excuse me, next applicant, please.
Good morning, Ms. Flores, right? Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity and the way here to my resume. You may take us pause.
Good morning again. Welcome to your final interview. I am Princess Eliza S. De Jesus, an official from the municipality of Terraza Rizal, and I will be conducting your interview today. Thank you for taking time to be here. And before we proceed to the initial interview, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, ma'am. Again, I am Jewel May Felix, 18 years old, a student from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and currently taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Also, I am currently applying for the part-time job to gain work experience.
Thank you. This interview aims to assess your qualifications, skills, and sustainability for the position. Please answer each question honestly and clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready po.
Since you already told me about yourself, let me have a more questions about you. So let's start. For the first question, why do you want this job?
I want this job because I would like to gain real work experience and further develop my skills in discipline, communication, and responsibility. And I also believe that this opportunity will help me to become more independent and expose me to real workplace situations.
Thank you for your answer. For the next question, can you tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses?
That's a personal question, ma'am. But for me, my strengths are that I am responsible, hardworking, and willing to learn person. And I always make sure to complete my task properly, and I can easily adapt to a new environment. As per weaknesses, I think I can be shy at first, especially when meeting new people, but I am improving that by communicating more and building confidence through experience.
In instance, how will you handle angry customers?
If I encounter that situation, I will handle angry customers or those customers with complaints by staying calm. I will listen carefully to their concern and try to understand their issue. And I will respond politely and respectfully. And if I cannot resolve the problem, I will immediately ask assistance for someone in charge or my supervisor.
That's a good response for this situation. For next question, how do you prioritize tasks when the workplace is busy?
When the workplace is busy, I stay calm and assess which tasks need to be done first. I make sure to do each task properly one at a time. And if I am unsure, I will ask my supervisor or another person in charge, and I will follow the instruction carefully.
That's a great response. For the last question, why should we hire you? You should hire me because, again, I am hardworking, responsible, and willing to learn person. Although I do not yet have any formal work experience, I am eager to improve my skills, follow instruction, and adapt quickly to new tasks. And I always do my best to perform my duties well and maintain a good attitude.
Thank you for your answers. Before we end, is there anything else you would like us to know about you?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to express that I am very eager to learn and grow in a real work environment, especially in this job. If given the opportunity, I will do my best to contribute positively and be a responsible employee.
Thank you for your time and for your effort in this interview. We appreciate your interest in the position.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the opportunity. Have a great day.
This concludes the interview.
Through this activity, I realized that every application is a progress and that we should stay consistent, keep learning, and trust our growth progress.